In many countries worldwide, water scarcity is increasing due to the climate change. Therefore, it would be helpful to reuse water that has already been used in households or in industry. Therefore, in the project SERPIC, we want to reuse water that has already been treated by wastewater treatment plants for the irrigation of crops. Today, this is often not possible because the treated wastewater might contain still some organic compounds or bacteria that might be accumulated in the plants and of the crops, and thus finally end up on the dishes on our tables. Therefore, we are developing a technology to remove these emerging pollutants from the wastewater effluent. With the implementation of this technology, the water can be safely used for the irrigation of crops or to be discharged to rivers without danger of the environment. The consortium of the SERPIC project consists of 7 partners from Europe and of 1 partner from South Africa. It is funded by national agencies of the 6 countries and by the European Commission within the ERA-NET program AquaticPollutants.
Our project looks at some emerging pollutants called contaminants of emerging concerns, CEC, present in very low concentration in wastewater. CECs includes organic contaminants that are residuals of pharmaceuticals or pesticides, and microbial CEC, including antibiotic resistance bacteria and antibiotic resistance genes. The European Commission is developing a new legislation including some emerging pollutants and requesting their removal from wastewater. This means that in some years the wastewater treatment plant will adopt new treatments in order to be able to remove such emerging pollutants. SERPIC is developing such a technology.
Our technology starts with the outlet stream of municipal wastewater treatment plants. Then we take this stream and we split this stream into 2 streams. One stream that it is used for irrigation and that we are going to disinfect, and other stream that it is discharged into environment and in which we are going to remove all emerging pollutants by oxidation techniques.
Membrane filtration is an efficient way of separating unwanted substances present in the water. Among the different membrane filtration processes, nanofiltration that we have selected in the project has a good compromise between separation effectiveness and energy consumption.
For route B, the concentrate stream separated by nanofiltration is treated to degrade the emerging compounds. We use oxidation with persulfate. Persulfate is a very strong oxidant, but it has to be activated to improve its oxidation condition. We are producing persulfate electrochemically using diamond electrodes. They present very high efficiencies in the production of oxidant in comparison with other electrode materials.
A tubular photoreactor is applied for the degradation of emerging pollutants by the oxidation with a persulfate. This reactor is composed of a quartz tube, and inside we have a porous ceramic tube, highly resistant from a chemical and physical point of view. This tube acts as a smart dosing system in order to provide a radial and uniform distribution of the oxidant at multiple dosing points along the entire length of the photoreactor. 4 UVC lamps are inserted outside the quartz tube, positioned equidistant from each other, which activate the oxidants in order to generate powerful species of oxidative radicals.
The individual partners have developed all the components for the SERPIC technology. All the components have been put together by UCLM in Ciudad Real, Spain. This is now the prototype plan. It will be used for the long-term tests to measure the performance of the treatment efficiency. The treated water is used to irrigate carrots and potatoes. For comparison, these test spots are irrigated with three types of water: secondary effluent for the wastewater treatment plant from Ciudad Real, the effluent treated with the SERPIC technology, and tap water. There are analyses these three types of water, irrigated soils and the plants, by different chemicals and microbiological analyses.
Águas Portugal is taking part of this project to represent a potential end user of the treatment technology. Águas Portugal is the largest water service company in Portugal. We have about 1,000 wastewater treatment plants serving almost 8 million people. Our interest in this project is to follow the development of new technologies that we could be using in the future for the removal of these kinds of pollutants. The choice of the best technology will depend on their efficiency, the investment costs and operation costs.